When I first heard people comparing Supercool AI to ChatGPT, I honestly thought the comparison made no sense. It's like comparing a Swiss Army knife to a power tool. One tries to do almost everything. The other focuses on helping you move faster. But the more I tested both, the more interesting the comparison became. And the winner wasn't who I expected. Let's start with ChatGPT. Most people already know what it does. Need content ideas? ChatGPT can help. Need research? ChatGPT can help. Need coding, brainstorming, writing, planning, analysis? Again, ChatGPT can help. That's why it's become the default AI tool for millions of people. It's incredibly flexible. And honestly, if I could only keep one AI subscription, ChatGPT would be very hard to replace. But here's what surprised me. When it came to actual workflows, Supercool AI sometimes felt faster, not smarter, faster. And there's a difference. With ChatGPT, I often found myself copying information between tabs, organizing outputs, and building my own process. Nothing wrong with that, but it still requires work. Supercool AI felt more structured. Instead of giving me information and expecting me to figure everything out, it helped move tasks forward with fewer steps. That may not sound like a big deal, but if you're doing the same thing every day, those small efficiencies add up quickly. The more I use both tools, the more I realize they solve different problems. ChatGPT is amazing when you need thinking. Supercool AI is more useful when you need momentum. That's probably the best way to explain it. One helps you figure things out. The other helps you get things done. Now, let's talk about where each tool wins. For writing, research, brainstorming, strategy, and problem solving, ChatGPT is still incredibly strong. Honestly, this is where it shines. But if your workflow involves repetitive tasks, project execution, or moving from idea to action quickly, Supercool AI starts becoming much more interesting, especially for freelancers, agencies, startup founders, and people managing multiple projects. And here's the part that shocked me. By the end of testing, I stopped thinking about which tool was better, because that wasn't the right question. The real question was, better for what? If your job depends on ideas, learning, research, and creativity, ChatGPT probably wins. If your job depends on speed, execution, and workflow efficiency, Supercool AI has a strong argument. So, who won? Honestly, neither. Because after using both, I realized the smartest users aren't choosing one. They're using ChatGPT to think and using Supercool AI to execute. And that combination is probably more powerful than either tool on its own. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.